All right, the waxing, the tweezing, the shaving, all of it. We go through some type of it to get rid of all that unwanted hair, right? Well, Dr. Ataii from Laser Clinique is here to show us really the next generation of a permanent hair removal. Dr. Ataii, good morning, and thank you for being here.
Thank you for having us, Heather.
Okay, everybody got hair somewhere that they try to get rid of, but it's not as painful and pricey as people may think.
That's true. The latest technologies have made it so much more effective, less painful, no messy gels, and no topical anesthetics are needed anymore.
Okay, is there a perfect candidate for it? Do you have to have a certain type of hair to be able to remove it, or can anybody do it?
Anyone can do it, but the ideal patient is someone with dark hair and light skin.
Dark hair, light skin. Okay. We have some pictures of patients that have done the hair removal. You can do it in different areas of your body. So is that what we're seeing here?
This is obviously, you see someone with what we call PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndrome, that had over hair growth and on the back as well, and we can treat that on females. Most common areas on females are underarms, bikini, legs. Men, obviously, you treat the back, shoulders, abdomen, chest. But anywhere, we can treat any body part.
Okay, this is so exciting because we're going to actually do it here on live TV.
Yep, we can put all the goggles on, everybody.
Is this for safety? Is this how you would do it in the office?
Exactly. The idea is there is a little bit of a flashing light, so you want to protect your eyes.
Okay, so while we get started, this is your first time doing this with this?
Yes.
Are you nervous?
Just a little.
Okay, well let's get them started.
Yep.
And then how long does this take, Dr. Ataii, to do something like the underarms?
The benefit of this type of laser, we can probably do an underarm in less than 4 minutes.
And then how often do you have to do it?
With this laser, with the Lightsheer DUET, the idea is you treat every 6 to 8 weeks, and unlike the previous predecessors, we can probably do it in less number of treatments.
Okay, I want to ask one more question, but I want to just check in with you because I've had laser hair removal done and I've wanted to jump off the table and hide out of pain. Do you feel that right now?
No, I don't feel anything at all.
At all?
At all, no.
So
Are you serious?
It's amazing. So what this laser is doing, it's suctioning the skin into the machine, which diminishes the pain. And then when it suctions the hair, it picks up the melanin and eliminates that hair.
How is this, Dr. Ataii, different than because like there's people that do the waxing and then you pluck, you tweeze, and how is that different than this?
Well, waxing is pure torture from a personal standpoint.
Oh, yes.
And you know, you have to remember that you have to do it for the rest of your life. Shaving, we did an analysis. If you shave, the amount of money you spend on a razor will cost you more in a lifetime than having a series of treatments of laser hair removal, which is permanent. The idea is we're creating permanent hair loss with this type of laser. After a series of treatments, you will notice anywhere from 70 to 90% of permanent hair loss. Like anything else, you may need a few maintenance doses down the road, but overall, very easy.
And then obviously, I mean, the smaller areas like this will take a lot quicker, but then, I mean, if you wanted to do your face, do you use that same thing? Or
We
you have
use that
different...
same thing. We have 2 tips, obviously. If we're getting to little fine areas, we have a separate tip to address the fine areas, such as in between the brow or forehead area. But for the rest of the face, we can still use that DUET handpiece.
And then the pricing for something like this, I mean, when this stuff first came out, it was almost impossible to be able to do it. It just cost so much. Is it still that kind of price point, or is it?
Prices dropped tremendously. A few reasons for that. Obviously, the nature of competition makes pricing obviously adjust. And the fact that we can do treatments, we need less number of treatments, so obviously the pricing has adjusted as a result of that.
Is this a safe procedure? Is there anything that people would need to know about, like pigment or discoloration or anything?
I think if you are tan, you have to wait for the tan to fade in order to diminish that side effect. But for non-tan skin, there should be no side effects in the proper hands.
I love it. Are you still doing okay?
Yes, I'm doing just
You
fine.
haven't twitched like one time. I'm like so excited for you right now. I literally wanted to jump off the table. Dr. Ataii, thank you for being here.
You're next.
You know what? FoxEyeSanDiego.com. Click the Scene On tab. There's the address to his clinic if you want to get more information and see if this would work for you. Move. Move your leg. Erica? Wait. Go ahead.
Wait, you're in a skirt. I don't know. What?